Magandang gabi. So tonight's lesson on learning Tagalog, we're going to learn the body parts, but we're not going to cover from head to toe because that's gonna be a lot. So for tonight, we're just going to learn the upper part or the head, like the nose, the ears, the hair, forehead. So as a start, I'm just gonna go, and the Tagalog words can be found on the about section, so you could go and click in there and you could say or practice the Tagalog words with me. So ready? Our first word is the head. Head in Tagalog is ulo. Ulo. And the hair is buhok. Hair is buhok. Buhok. And if you want to say forehead, that's noo. Noo. And the eyebrow is kilay. Kilay. Eyebrow is kilay. And eyelashes is pilikmata. Eyelashes is pilikmata. Pilikmata. And ears or ears in Tagalog is tainga. 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 And the nose is ilong. That's ilong. And cheeks, pisngi. 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 That's cheeks. And eyes, mata. Eyes in Tagalog is mata. Mata. And if you want to say chin, that's baba. 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 And lips, labi. 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 And the neck is leeg. 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 The nape, if you want to say nape, that's batok. 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 And mind, isip. Mind, isip. Brain is utak. Utak. And I think that's it. So just a quick review. Head is ulo. And the hair is buhok. Buhok. Forehead, noo. Noo. Eyebrow, kilay. 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 Eyelashes, pilikmata. And the nose, that's ilong. Ilong. And eyes, mata. Mata. Ears, tainga. And cheeks, pisngi. Pisngi. Labi, lips. Chin, baba. Nape is batok. Leeg is the neck. Isip is mind, and brain is utak. So, that's it for tonight. Good night. It's past 11 here now. Bye-bye. I'm already uploading the video and I just remembered I forgot something, and that is dila is tongue, dila, tongue, ngipin, teeth, jaw is panga, 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 and gum or gums, gilagid, gilagid, gilagid. Okay, teeth, ngipin, and tongue is dila, jaw, panga, and gum or gums, gilagid, gilagid. Okay, that's it. Good night.